Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're not actually going to be doing anything with the 3030. I just have it here just as a background. If you haven't noticed, I've been uploading daily for the past 2 or 3 weeks because I've had a lot of content to make videos on. But now I'm actually going to be uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So make sure you watch out for new videos on those days. On the other days, I'm not going to be uploading just because I have other things to be doing. So yeah. And also, one thing I'm going to address, a lot of people are asking, why don't you use this 3030 for your home system? The home system has to be a fully functional life safety system. It's not at all a hobby system. So I'm not going to put a panel that, this panel is quite hard to use for a normal user. Any firearm person is going to argue that all these buttons are really easy to operate, but if someone comes in the panel and they see this, it's not really the most intuitive thing for a normal person. And MS-9200 has a very simple screen, so yeah, that's why I'm not using it. I'm also not going to do voice evac because that just overcomplicates the system. So since it is a home system, I'm making everything very simple and very reliable. And yes, I do have an EST logo on there. So yeah, that's why I'm not going to use any other panels for the home system. And one last thing about the home system is I'm actually going to be moving the MS-9200 out of my room and down into our mechanical room within the next month. But once that panel is gone, that's actually going to make room for the 3030. Now at some point I am actually going to be getting a 4-bay enclosure and door and dress panels and all that stuff, but it's very expensive, so I have to get it slowly. And I do also need some more cards and stuff like that before I can start getting the enclosures. So don't worry, there will be a system in my room after the MS-9200 is gone, and it's going to be a very nice demo system with EMT, flush mount, annunciators, everything like that. Now I'm also going to be building more demo boards with some of the panels I have lying around, so watch out for that in the future. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment below if you have any questions, and I'll try to answer them. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.